At the outbreak of epidemic novel coronavirus COVID-19, Balasore Social Service Society, the social wing of the Diocese of Balasore, set out for the emergency intervention, gathering the strength and capacity to reach out to the vulnerable people affected by the sudden nationwide lockdown. BSS in its first phase of the intervention, with due permission from district administration, reached out to the people on the streets to feed them with a meal. People of generous hearts joined the campaign, extending their share to feed the starving sisters and brothers on the streets. BSSS continues this drive even today by providing cooked food for 20 to 30 persons every day with the help of the Good Samaritans of the place. BSS in its second phase joined hands with the Emergency Department of Balasore to supervise 4 crowded markets of Balasore: Aruda Bazar, Ananda Bazar, Mandal Bazar and Balighat. The staff of BSSS, with all the precautions against COVID-19, from 5:30 am to 11:30 am, monitored the social distancing, use of masks and checking the rise of the market price of the commodities. Extending the collaboration to the district administration, BSSS COVID warriors monitored Balasore railway station at the arrival of the special Shramik trains with the migrant attorneys at V hours along with the district administration. BSSS COVID warriors volunteered in monitoring the containment zones of Balasore and delivered the essential materials and dry food kits to the families under the supervision of the government officials. BSSS positively responded to the request of the emergency department and provided dry food kits, mattresses to the Nari Shakti Women's Rehabilitation Center and masks to the hundreds of people. As the lockdown was extended, poor and daily wages faced critical situation. BSS stopped all its regular interventions and reduced all its expenses, pooled all the available resources possible and extended them to the slums and villages as the third phase of intervention with dry food kits for their survival and hygiene kits for their protection, especially to the slums of Balasore and few areas of Bhadrak, Mayurbhanj and Keonjhar districts too. BSS has reached out with relief materials, both hygiene and dry food kits, to 7,450 families in 45 panchayats and several slums so far, along with awareness creation during the lockdown. The hygiene kit contained masks, washing soaps and bathing soaps for the whole family. The dry food contained rice, dal, onions, potatoes, oil to sustain a family at least for 10 days. Special hygiene kits were provided to 2,072 families, which contained buckets, washing soaps, bathing soaps, masks, aqua tablets, women's sanitary clothes and baby sanitary clothes along with dry food kits. In collaboration with the district administration, BSS has supported Maggi packets and baby clothes to hundreds of families with infants. A package of special hygiene kits for women was provided to 500 families of 3 panchayats of Bogarai block of Balasore who were affected by both COVID-19 and the cyclonic storm Amphan. 300 most vulnerable families from them were supported with an unconditional cash transfer of Rs 5,800 each to cope up with the crisis. BSS has supported 50 families of widows and differently abled from the slums of Balasore and nearby villages for 6 consecutive months with a dry food kit that contains sufficient food for a month and hygiene kit materials for the whole family. BSS has reached out to 640 tribal students with hygiene kits and dry food kits along with awareness program. They who are deprived of the online classes during the lockdown are given special education through 43 village-based tuition centers. BSS also facilitated general health checkup for the children in many centers and provided them with the necessary medicines. BSS has reached out to the 11 dialysis patients with 147 free dialysis over 2 months who were severely affected by the lockdown. BSS's women volunteers have stitched more than 40,000 masks, which were distributed to the common people and volunteers at different levels. In the fourth phase of COVID-19 intervention, BSS launched a campaign on Fighting COVID-19, Be Aware, Be Safe, an awareness program which conscientized thousands in city and villages, vendors and shopkeepers, travelers and bystanders in the district of Balasore and Mayurbhanj. In the fifth phase of intervention, BSSS is reaching out to the 150 unemployed migrant youth who were affected by the lockdown to impart skill development training like electrician, automobile repairing, driving, beautician and tailoring to capacitate them to establish their self-employment in their localities. BSS has a plan to further this skill development drive to the more unemployed youth of the 4 districts of Balasore, Mayurbhanj, Bhadrak and Keonjhar. Thanks to the great support BSS received from the District Administration of Balasore, well-wishers and donor agencies like Caritas India, Catholic Relief Services, Caritas France, FDNF Switzerland, Catholic Health Association of India, Manus Unidas, HZS Linstein, Stitching Active Calcutta and Church of Holy Family USA, who came forward to support the humanitarian intervention of saving our fellow citizens irrespective of any caste, gender or religion.